We're going to show you how to download and install the HP full software for your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M479 FDW printer. Now the printer is already in the setup mode, and the full software will discover and set it up wirelessly. This is also applicable if your printer is already connected to your home network. To begin, open a browser and go to www.hp.com. Go to Support and select Software and Drivers. Select Printer. Now key in the product name, which is HP Color LaserJet MFP M479. Select that and submit. To get the full software solution, scroll until you see the recommended options. Select the one that is recommended for your printer. Once the full webpack is downloaded, select Open. Let's close the browser. Let's get started. Let's continue. So go to Next. We need to check on this box and go to Accept. So this printer can be connected to web and enable connected printing features. Would you like to enable connected printing? We'll select Yes. Printer Analytics. We'll select Yes. Application Analytics. We'll select No thanks. Software is being installed. Connection options. We'll select Automatic Setup. Go to Next. It has found our printer. We'll allow HP Auto Wireless Connect to copy my network settings from my computer to the printer. Let's check on this box and go to Next. Wi-Fi Direct Printing. So this feature has been enabled on this printer. Let's go to Next. For the fax setup wizard, we'll skip. Let's go to Next. Our setup is complete. We can go online to manage our device, but for now, we're going to skip that. Let's take a look at the software we have just installed. This is the HP Printer Assistant. You can print, scan, or even fax. So the software is installed properly. Let's go to the Scan shortcut. The HP Scan software is working as well. Let's exit. And so, this is how you download and install the HP Full Solution software for your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M479 FDW printer.